Hi, this is VZ Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Meta recently introduced live music playback integration within Instagram Notes, allowing users to display their currently playing music in real time. But before you can start sharing your songs, you'll need to link your Spotify account to Instagram. How to do it's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. From here, you can go to your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner on the three lines over here. You can go to settings. From settings, you can go to a permission. You can just scroll down and you can choose on permissions, app website permission. There is an option Spotify. You can link your Spotify account to your Instagram. After you link your Spotify account to Instagram, to share what you listen to from Spotify to your notes, you can just open your notes. You can go to DM section. For that, from here I will show you. I will start playing music from my Spotify like this. You can play the songs from your Spotify account. Now you can go back to your Instagram again. You can go to the M section. You can you can start on your note. So you'll find there is an option like Spotify music. You can just select on that. So Instagram will automatically share what you listen from Spotify to your notes on Instagram. So anyone on Instagram can see what you listen on your Spotify. It's very simple, right? So that is how to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification about this channel. Thank you and see you!